Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you.
Delhi Minister Gopal Rai calls emergency meeting over violation of SS pollution norms. Delhi Environment Minister Gopal Rai called an emergency meeting over the alleged violation of the Supreme Court pollution norms. The minister's decision to hold the key meet comes a day after India Today released an investigation report that captured videos and images of open violation of norms set by the Supreme Court to curb the crisis. The meeting will be held around 12 a.m. on Friday. Officials from the Delhi Traffic Police Department, Environment Department, Transport Department, Delhi Pollution Control Committee, and NBCC India are likely to be present at the meeting with Delhi's Environment Minister. The Supreme Court had directed the Delhi government to set certain norms in the bid to curb air pollution in the national capital. Following this, the Delhi government had announced a ban on construction and the entry of trucks bearing CNG trucks and those engaged in essential services till further orders. However, India Today TV found that these norms were violated openly in the dead of night while digging work and metro construction were still going on. Diesel trucks were also allowed to enter Delhi. Open violation of the Supreme Court order which mandates sweeping curbs on construction activities were caught on the camera. According to the investigation report, around 4 a.m. on December 16 at Delhi's Netaji Nagar, earth movers, drilling machine and generators were seen working in full swing under bright halogen lights. UP poll push PM Modi to meet BJP MPs over breakfast. Amit Shah to address rally in Lucknow today. Ahead of the Uttar Pradesh elections, PM Narendra Modi and Bharatiya Janata Party President JP Nadda will meet Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand BJP's MPs at breakfast on Friday. December 17th, Prahlad Joshi, Arjun Meghalwal, and P. Muralidharan will also be there. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, Nishad Party President Sanjay Nishad, along with State President of BJP Swatantra Dev Singh, Deputy Chief Minister Keshav Prasad Maurya, and Dinesh Sharma will be present at the rally along with Home Minister Amit Shah. Meanwhile, Union Home Minister Amit Shah will participate in the Sarkar Banao Adhikar Pao rally organized by the Bharatiya Janata Party and its ally Nishad Party at 1 pm on Friday at the Namabai Ambedkar ground in Lucknow. The same day, SP President Akhilesh Yadav will take out a Vijay Rath Yatra in the Rai Bareli show of strength. The BJP-led government has been going all guns blazing in UP, which is due to the polls early next year with PM Modi inaugurating several projects in the state. This week, Modi inaugurated the Kashi Vishwanath corridor and held a good governance meeting with CMS of 12 states. On October 20, PM Modi inaugurated an international airport in Kushinagar. On October 25, PM Modi inaugurated 9 medical colleges in eastern Uttar Pradesh. He inaugurated Purvanchal Expressway, a mega highway project to link eastern Uttar Pradesh and districts with central part of the state of November 16. PM Modi on December launched a number of development projects in eastern Uttar Pradesh, including an AIIMS, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, and a fertilizer plant in Gorakhpur. The PM will visit Kanpur on December 28. Miss World 2021 postponed after several contestants, including India's Manasa Varanasi, test COVID-19 positive. Miss World 2021 finale has been temporarily postponed. The finale was scheduled to take place on December 16 at Puerto Rico. However, the organization had to postpone the event due to the health and safety interests of the contestants, staff, crew, and general public. The finale will be rescheduled at the Jose Miguel Aguilar Coliseum of Puerto Rico within the next 90 days. 17 people, including Miss World 2021 contestant as well as the crew, have been contracted COVID-19 according to reports. Miss India 2020 Manasa Varanasi, who was representing India at the pageant, is also one of them. The statement further mentioned why the decision to postpone the event was taken. As of yesterday, additional safety measures were implemented in the best interest of the country's production team and spectators, understanding the event increased risk on the stage and in the room. However, after additional positive cases were confirmed this morning after consulting with health official experts, the postponement decision was made, the statement further reads. Julia Morley, CEO of Miss World Entity, said, "We are very much looking forward to the return of our contestants, who we have grown to know and love, to compete for the Miss World crown."
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.